Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will unbox Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the box. So let's unbox it. Okay, so before opening the box, I would like to inform you that it's 512 GB, it's ceramic black version. So now let's open the box. After opening the box, you can see the phone first. So let's take the phone out. After that, you can see the first charger. You can see the OTG converter. You get a pair of headphones, which is here. And because my phone is black, you get the accessories in black color. You get a USB Type-C cable, also a USB 2.0 to USB-C converter, you get a user guide for the phone, also a warranty from Samsung, and a SIM ejector tool. We'll just leave it there for the moment. And I forgot to mention in my previous video that you also get a SIM ejector and a warranty in Samsung Galaxy S10. If you would like to watch the video, press the eye icon on the top right corner. And thank you for watching the unboxing video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.